What if you could capture everything around you in one shot? Rumours are buzzing about new tech that might make this possible. DJI, known for its drones and gimbals, seems to be coming up with some exciting gadgets. 3 new tools might soon help creators make better videos. From crystal clear sound to super stable footage, these rumoured devices could change how we create content. Let's dive into what people are saying about DJI's potential new offerings. You might know DJI for their drones and gimbals, but now they are quite popular for their audio as well. And if the rumours are true, we could soon get a DJI Mic Mini, a smaller, more affordable version of their popular Mic 2. Good audio is crucial for videos, but not everyone can buy expensive gear. If these rumours are true, the Mic Mini could fill this gap. It might be great for creators who want good sound without spending too much money. According to the rumours, the Mic Mini might keep the main features that made the Mic 2 popular. This could mean clear audio and easy pairing, but some people think it might not have some extra features to keep the price low. For example, it might not have a display or advanced controls. The battery life might be shorter than the Mic 2's 14 hours, according to these rumours. But for most creators, this might not be a big problem. You'd still have enough time to record your projects. The best part, if these rumours are true, it's said to be small and easy to carry. You might be able to put it in your pocket or a bag without any trouble. This would be perfect for creators who move around a lot and don't want to carry big heavy gear. Now, let's talk about another rumoured product, the RS4 Mini. If you want a smooth, stable video, this one might interest you. According to the rumours, it's a smaller version of DJI's popular Ronin series gimbals. Why would they make it smaller? People are speculating it's for vloggers and travel creators. These folks need something light and easy to carry. The rumoured RS4 Mini is said to be designed for cameras like the Sony ZV-E10 II, Canon R50 and Nikon Z30. Some sources claim the battery in the RS4 Mini is getting better. They say it might have 3,100 mAh. That's a bit more than the regular RS4 if true. More power would mean you can shoot for longer without stopping. Rumours also suggest it will have Bluetooth 5.1, just like the bigger models. This would mean you can connect it to your other devices easily. If these rumours are accurate, the RS4 Mini is all about balance. You'd get the stability DJI is known for, but in a package that's easy to carry around. It would be perfect for creators who are always moving from place to place. This is where the rumours get really interesting. Some people are saying DJI is entering the 360-degree camera market with something called the Osmo 360. Why would this be important? 360 cameras let you capture everything around you. They're great for making immersive content, virtual tours, and action shots, but they can be hard to use. DJI is known for making technology easy to use. So, if the Osmo 360 is real, it could change how people use 360 cameras. It might make 360 videos easier for everyday creators to use. We don't know all the details yet, of course, since these are just rumours. But people who claim to know about DJI's plans say it will have many features. They're guessing it will probably have high resolution, smooth stabilisation and controls that are easy to use. If it exists, the Osmo 360 could be perfect for travel vloggers, real estate agents, or anyone who wants to create immersive content. It would be a new way to tell your story and show the world around you. If the rumours are true, the Mic Mini could make good audio more accessible to more people. The RS4 Mini might become the go-to gimbal for vloggers, and the Osmo 360 could open up new creative possibilities for many people. For professional creators, these rumoured tools would mean more choices. You could pick the right gear for each job without spending too much money. For beginners, it would be a chance to use professional level tools without paying professional level prices. You could improve your skills without spending all your money. These rumours also suggest that DJI is creating new things in different areas. They're not just the drone company anymore. They might be becoming a place where creators can get all kinds of gear. If these products are real, This move would put pressure on other companies like GoPro, Rode, Zhiyun, and Insta360. DJI's range of products would be growing. Soon, you might be able to get all your gear from one brand. This would be convenient for creators because everything would work well together. And about the releases and price, we can only guess about it. But based on past releases, if these rumors are true, we might see these new products in stores in about 3 months. DJI usually releases products pretty quickly after they file paperwork with the FCC. So, what might DJI do next? Maybe we'll see more AI in their products. Or perhaps they'll surprise us with something completely new that we haven't even thought of yet. One thing is certain, the future of content creation is exciting. And if these rumors are true, DJI is playing a big part in shaping that future. If you want to stay informed, keep checking DJI's official websites and social media. They'll have all the details if and when these products are officially announced. Until then, start thinking about the content you could create with these rumored new tools. There are so many possibilities. Remember, while these rumors are exciting, they're not official yet. The final products, if they exist, might be different from what we've talked about here. But based on DJI's track record, we can expect high-quality, innovative products that will help creators make better content. As technology keeps improving, it's becoming easier for anyone to create professional-looking videos and photos. These rumored new tools from DJI, if they're real, would be part of that trend. They'd be making it possible for more people to share their stories and ideas with the world. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, a social media influencer, or just someone who likes to make videos for fun, these rumored DJI products could help you take your content to the next level. They're said to be designed to solve common problems that creators face, like getting good audio, keeping the camera steady, and capturing immersive footage. In the end, it's not about having the most expensive gear. It's about having the right tools to bring your creative vision to life. And that's exactly what DJI seems to be focusing on with these rumored products. They'd be giving creators more options, more flexibility, and more ways to express themselves. So get ready. The world of content creation might be about to get even more exciting, and if these rumors turn out to be true, you'll be well equipped to be part of that excitement with these new tools from DJI.
Alright, we just saw some cool gadgets that are now quite popular, but that wasn't always the case. A lot of marketing had to be done for them to garner such a fan base. So if you are a business owner and want to increase your sales and drive more traffic to your sites, you should check out today's sponsor, TikTok for Business. It is a global platform designed to help brands like yours become creative storytellers and meaningfully engage with millions of TikTok users. Whether you're looking to attract customers, drive sales, or boost conversions, TikTok's unique ad solutions can get you there. From small businesses to large agencies, TikTok for Business has the tools to help you grow. With TikTok for Business, you can launch your first campaign in just 3 easy steps. First, answer a few questions, and TikTok will create a personalized marketing plan just for you. Then, craft your content using an easy-to-use template or upload existing creative. Finally, run your campaign and watch your business reach new heights with the most engaged audience online. So why are you waiting? Find the link in the description box and launch your first TikTok campaign today.
So, that's all about the DJI Mic Mini, DJI RS4 Mini, and DJI Osmo 360. Do let us know what you think about these rumor products. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.